Here you can see we're coming down the Eccleshall Road A5013 going towards the Maccies Roundabout near PureGym. So what we're going to be doing, as you can see by the sign in a minute, we're going to go towards Town Centre and Cannock, which is the second exit on the roundabout. Now believe it or not, you can actually use either lane on the approach, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the left lane because we want to head straight down Foregate Street. So we're going to use the left lane, but we're going to give a right indicator as we get into it, so we don't confuse the people coming from Stone Road and they know exactly where we're going to go, because they may think we're going to go straight off towards Stone. So we're going to keep it nice and wide, keep checking your sides. As you come round, you're going to indicate left, check your mirrors and shoulder, keep an eye on your right hand side and leave the roundabout in the left lane. Now, good to note that you can use either lane coming down the Eccleshall Road and the Stone Road. On your driving test, the examiner would tell you if they want you to use the right hand lane.